Hey guys, Mr. Zern here. Welcome back. Got a finished sample of the program you are making today. All right, so it wants you to start off by asking the user's name. So there it goes. What's your name, stranger? I'll say Adam. And it says, nice to meet you, Adam. And then you're supposed to include the user's name, concatenate that into basically all future user declared variables. So here I've got one. Adam, can you suggest a good movie to watch? Absolutely. How about Star Wars? Star Wars sounds like a good movie. Adam, can you suggest another movie to watch? So basically, at this point, we are inside of a while loop, and I've got an incremental counter inside there, and it's going to make me answer this 5 times. Okay, or add 5 movies. So there we've got one. So we need another one. How about Ready Player One? All right, Ready Player One also sounds like a good movie. Adam, can you suggest another movie to watch? Sure. How about Rogue One? All right, Rogue One also sounds like a good movie. Adam, can you suggest another movie to watch? You better believe it. How about The Goonies? All right, The Goonies also sounds like a good movie. Adam, can you suggest another movie to watch? You better believe it. How about Toy Story? All right. Wow, Adam, I now have a list of 5 movies to watch. So it uses the basically the way the length list function there to kind of count up how many items are in the list, and so it prints that out, and then it does a for loop and prints them. Adam thinks I should watch the movie Star Wars. Adam thinks I should watch the movie Ready Player One. Adam thinks I should watch the movie Rogue One. Adam thinks I should watch the movie The Goonies. Adam thinks I should watch the movie Toy Story. And then it's supposed to print what the third item on your list is, and it says, I think I'm going to watch Rogue One first. All right, so there's a good example. Let's just kind of quick look at the requirements there, and we can say declare a variable set to an empty list, no problem. Declare a variable asking the user's name. Throughout the program, using concatenation, insert the user's name into all future user declared variables. Declare a second variable and ask them a non-binary question. So I was doing the movie. So for example, what movie should I watch? You're going to append those answers to the list. Using a while loop, force the user to add at least 5 items to the list. So I did. You could do more if you want. Add a print statement using the length equals, len my list code there that states how many items are on the list. Add a print statement that says what the third item on your list was using the index. Using a for loop, print an individual statement for each item on the list concatenated to include the user's name, a string, and the list item. For example, user's name, you like the movie. All right, add hashtags to describe what you're doing in the code. Use appropriate spacing and line breaks to make your program easy to read. All right, so there's kind of the requirements. Like I said, this is a good example of what I'm looking for, and I look forward to trying your program, and I will talk to you guys later.